Is it a function? We talked about relations, a set of ordered pairs. Now we're going to go a little deeper to ask, is it a function? Remember, for functions, each domain is paired with exactly one range. Something I introduced in the last video is the vertical line test. It is a very simple process. You literally put your pen or pencil, your finger, and you'll scan left to right. As you do, does your pen or pencil touch more than one spot on the graph? In this case, it does not, so this would be a function. When I look at the next one, if I put my pencil on the left and slide to the right, I notice in a few spots as I travel over, my pen would fall on these 2 points at one time, those two. Here it would fall on all 3 at one time. When that happens, that is not a function. Same rule applies when I give you a map. Just to review vocabulary, that is considered the domain. Y is the range. I always remember with X comes before Y in the alphabet, just like domain would come first in the dictionary. So when I do this, I simply just look at my ranges. Oh boy. What I noticed is -1 is being paired with both 4 and 5 in the range. So therefore, when you have -1 being repeated, but with different ranges, that is not a function. If I was going to graph it, this is the point it would fall the vertical line test. If I graphed, I would have -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I would have, whoops, wrong direction, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd have 1 point here, and even though it didn't fit, my second point would fall here, and it would fail the test. So if this is my domain, and this is my range, would this pass the vertical line test? Why or why not? Hopefully you said no, because 4 is being paired with 2 and 5, so not a function. Now I will look at my tables. Oh, right away, I notice I don't have any domains that repeat. Outstanding. That immediately makes it a function. If I were to graph it, it would pass the vertical line test. That would not have any repeats left or right. I will take a look at my second table. Oh, something caught my eye. I notice +3 is paired with 7, and +3 is paired with 5. Therefore, if I were to graph, these 2 points would fail the vertical line test, so not a function. Now I just gave you a set of ordered pairs. I like to look at all of the domains. Do we notice any repeats in the domains? I don't really care if there are repeats in the ranges, because if they went left to right, they would pass the vertical line test. This is a function. I don't have any repeating domains. Looking at the next set of ordered pairs, I like to check out my domains first. Ooh, I notice I have a 6 in the first ordered pair and a 6 in the last ordered pair, but they are paired up with different ranges, so that is not a function.